I see something that I've never seen before. If you're into this, let me know. This is the Kristen S Extra Gentle Shampoo, and the conditioner is on sale down from $11.97 to $10.77. The Extra Gentle conditioner, and then her leave-in conditioner, Weightless Shine, is available. It's on sale from $11.97 to $8.38. That's pretty cool. If you use this, let me know. I'm not sure who Kristen is, but hey, girl, I see you. Ooh, one of my favorite brands. This one right here. Oh, I love this so much. This is like all-time top one, okay? Like, no, nothing compares to this. But it is compared to this, okay? And the blowout from Tresemme, the Keratin Smooth Blowout with Keratin Infused Treatment up to 24 hours frizz and flyaway control is down from $6.94 to $5.97. I would pick it up if you don't like to do the dupes or whatever you call it, okay? But it says compared to Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner, and I vouch for this. I have a video for it. The Equate Beauty Smoothing Keratin Conditioner and Shampoo combo is Dolly Prada's #1 favorite, okay? I'm telling you. One of my other like absolute favorite hair care brands is OGX. And me personally, I love the coconut miracle oil and like this the coconut brand itself. I think that's really nice. But if I wanted to get some clarification going on, the rosemary mint is what I'm doing. I'm seeing that these are on rollback. Usually they're $7.97, but they're all down to $6.97. I would definitely pick up any OGX if you've been wanting to try out anything. I definitely recommend it. This keratin soothing oil shampoo and conditioner is down to $6.97 from $7.97. Anything with keratin really works well on my hair. I will link some of my hair videos down below so that you guys can see as well, to see if like our hair types favor in any way, but that's what I use. Not sure if the Dove is on sale. The Dove Silver. I didn't know they had the Dove Silver for y'all. It looks like it might be on rollback for $2 or $4, but it might be $7.94 as well. I'm not sure. If it is on sale, I will link this for my silver ladies out there. I see you. Let me know if you're here, because I got you. The L'Oreal L5 collection. There's a couple of things on sale. I do actually have a video of me using the hyaluronic plump. All right, so if we're gonna be serious, right? If I'm really being honest with you, I actually do have a top 3. I'm not gonna front. So my top 3 when it comes to hair products for me are top #1 is the Equate Beauty Keratin Smoothing Conditioner, okay? And then honestly, truthfully, it has to be this one has upgraded so much. This one right here is $4.97. This is the L5 Hyaluron and Plump, the 72-hour hydrating shampoo and conditioner with hyaluronic acid. It's for dry and dehydrated hair for, again, $4.97. This is like my #2 favorite. I'm loving this stuff so much. And then after that is the OGX, that one I showed you over there. So yeah, that'd be perfect. But as far as the other things from the L5 that are on sale, I'm seeing this no haircut cream, leave-in with fine castor oil and vitamins. It helps to seal the split ends and reduces breakage for long damaged hair. It's down from $7.97 to $7.17, as well as these ones right here, this heat protectant pre-iron serum leave-in and a frizz control leave-in serum. So I'll go ahead and link that as well. And then this one, I haven't tried this one yet. I definitely say yeah, because I kind of like this whole line is really cool actually. It just depends on what your hair needs at that time. This one is down from $8.97 to $7.68. And both the shampoo and conditioner, a very big bottle compared to these, but these ones, they're the same type of situation. But this one is for damage reversing conditioner and shampoo. Somebody messed that one up, but I would definitely recommend trying those out. If you're looking for a good clarifying foaming scrub shampoo, this one right here from Dove, the Scalp Plus Hair Therapy Density Boost, is a clarifying foaming scrub with vitamin B and zinc. It's a micro exfoliating with sugar scrub. It has 0 sulfates in it. That's very good. So in a system like this, they want you to do it with 4 different ways, by exfoliating, cleansing, moisturizing, then adding like a serum at the end. So this is what you use when, a lot of people don't mention it on their like heavy wash days. They don't tell you about the clarifying part. If you put a lot of products in your hair, or you don't like co-wash, things like that, if you don't really do much to your hair but actually try to keep it moisturized between wash days, you definitely want to clarify it to get all the buildup out. And this is on sale from $9.94 to $4.50, so I'll make sure I link that as well. I'm also seeing Garnier Fructis. I've been off them for a couple years now. I had, like I showed you, found some better alternatives. This Garnier Fructis, I actually have this set, this hair filler set, and if you're like me and you're unsure about it and you're unsure whether to recommend it to people or not, let me know in the comments down below how you felt about it, because I kind of just wanted to see, like, you know, some feedback off of somebody else. Did I not use it right, or is my hair type just not for it? I'm not sure. But as you guys saw, I did a little bit more than I thought I was going to do. They have some, I definitely have some great great sales going on. Here at Walmart is really stepping it up. I'm not gonna front. I don't know what's going on, but I truly am falling back in love with Walmart all over it. Again, make sure that you click the products link on this video so that you can see as much as possible that I've linked on here for you to shop directly in your own home with YouTube shopping, as well as first pinned comment will contain my Walmart storefront so that you can go ahead on Walmart directly, check out all the curations that I have, and everything like that. Okay, and Native is sitting here on sale just in my face. That's why I was walking down the aisle. I was just trying to see if I missed anything. Native shampoo and conditioner by Duncan Hines is on sale for $2.50, down from $9.97. So the Duncan Hines blueberry cobbler and the Boston cream is on sale. This is a shampoo and conditioner for $2.50 for full and thick hair, and this one is moisturizing. Okay, I'll make sure I link that as well. But yeah, you already know what to do. Love you so much. God bless.